Hi everyone, welcome back to SG Doctor Wellness. My name is Dr. G-NiiB and I'm practicing in VitaCare Family Clinic, Singapore. Microorganisms are all around us and they are amongst the smallest living organisms known. These microorganisms live even on our skin and within our bodies. Collectively, we call them the human microbiota. Do you know that there are more bacteria in our body than human cells? Yes. There are about 39 trillion microbial cells within us compared to 30 trillion human cells. And the majority of the bacteria found in the human body lives within our gut. These bacteria living within our gut are called the gut microbiome. Do these microorganisms make us sick or are they friendly? What exactly are their roles in the body? Watch till the end to find out more about it. Before I start, I want to thank G-NiiB for supporting our project in medical education for the general public.
Brought to you by G-NiiB Immunity Plus, a patented probiotic formula for Asians.
The first scientific evidence that microorganisms are part of the normal human system emerged in the mid-1880s. Since then, more than 900 different species of microorganisms have been identified to be living within our gut. We are colonized by bacteria the moment we are born. These microorganisms enter our body during the birth process and upon contact with our mother's skin. Subsequently, different types of bacteria will enter our body from the breast milk, the food, and the environment we live in, forming our gut microbiome. As a result, each individual has his or her own unique gut microbiome, depending on our genes, diet, living environment, and contact with other people or animals. Due to the similarity in lifestyle and diet, people from proximal geographic locations tend to have similar gut microbiome compositions. Asians would likely have more similar gut microbiomes to Asians than to Europeans or Americans. Hence, the good bacteria needed for Asians is different to that of a Westerner. Many research are ongoing for a better understanding of how the human microbiota contributes to health and diseases. What we do know so far is that the intestinal microbiome helps in the digestion of food, produces important vitamins like B12 and K, protects the intestinal walls from invasions by bad organisms and prevents infection, and in recent research, the gut microbiome may even improve our immune system and improve our brain and mental functions. To find out more about our gut and our immune system, click on the link above now. An imbalance of good and bad microbes in our gut is known as gut dysbiosis. Evidence shows that gut dysbiosis may lead to diseases such as obesity, diabetes, asthma, and even chronic gut inflammation, among others. So over the next episodes, I will talk more about having good gut bacteria or taking probiotics can improve certain conditions. Stay tuned. There are two key factors contributes to gut dysbiosis. Firstly, over the last few decades, our diet has changed tremendously. There has been an increased intake of sugar, fat, processed food, and MSG. This food tend to trigger the overgrowth of bad bacteria and suppress the variety and quantity of good bacteria. The other very important factor would be antibiotics intake. Antibiotics kills bacteria within our body, the good ones and the bad ones. People who take a lot of antibiotics may get sick because the antibiotics destroy a lot of good bacteria in their bodies. A lack of good bacteria in our gut gives space and available food for the overgrowth of bad bacteria, which may lead to various diseases. Some tips to promote good gut health includes eating food rich in fiber, whole grains like fruits, beans, legumes, wheats, oats, barley. This is known as prebiotics. Taking food rich in polyphenol like green tea, olive oil, dark chocolate. Taking more fermented food like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Limit intake of sugar and artificial sweeteners. Taking probiotic supplements, and taking antibiotics only when necessary. So there you go. We hope that this video has enlightened you to the concept of our gut microbiome and its importance to our health. Take active steps to improving your gut health now. Subscribe, like and share this video. Until the next time, stay safe, stay healthy.
G-NiiB Immunity Plus, a patented gut microbiome formula for Asians with live beneficial bacteria from Italy, scientifically proven to help improve immunity and gut health. G-NiiB Immunity Plus.